A very good morning, all my lovely kids. Dear students, you know very well that your exams are very near, and I hope that you all have started your revision also. I know this time it is a new concept for all of you because earlier you were going to the school and you were doing your practice there, and even your teacher they were helping you in the revision. But this year the situation is really opposite to that. I know your parents they are doing very hard work for you, so I request you all that please do your work on your own. Definitely they will help you, your teacher will help you, we are always there for your help. But as you know that your parents they are doing a lot of work these days, so I request you that please don't trouble them and try to learn your work and try to do your work that is given by your teacher. Okay, so today let's start our computer class. Today we will revise chapter number 3, that is Tux Paint, and it is a very lovely drawing program for children, and Tux Paint it is available in more than 85 different languages, and there are many options. With the help of these options you can draw a lovely drawing, and in this there are many tools that you can use. For example, drip magic tool, foam tool, grass effect tool, rainbow tool, and smudge effect, waves effect, noise effect. So there are many tools that you can use. Today we will revise the back exercise of the chapter. If I am revising the back exercise only, it doesn't mean you will not learn your question answers. Let me clear one thing, that please read your chapters thoroughly, because in your exams there will be in between questions from the chapter also. So let's start. First we have fill in the blanks. I will not give you options, so without options you have to learn. We can draw various dash and dash polygonal shapes using the shapes tool. With the help of shapes tool we can draw filled and even unfilled polygonal shapes. Dash tool is used to create and open a new file in Tux Paint. New file, if I want to open a new file, so what I have to do? I have to click on new. We can choose any frame from the dash to start a new drawing. It is start is there, so from this you can take idea starters. Dash magic effect is used to trace edges from the already drawn image. Answer is edges. The dash effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the mouse on the drawing area. The rainbow effect. And in Tux Paint, dash helps you to learn more about various tools. Penguin. When you start your drawing in your Tux Paint, at below you can see there is a penguin, and that penguin that always shows the different ways to start, or now you have to do this, you have to press this. So a penguin helps you to learn more about various tools. Next we have true false. There are 18 different shapes available in the sub toolbox of shapes tool. It is a false. We have no options to choose a picture as the starting background for a new file. True, we cannot choose a new picture. The real rainbow effect draws a similar kind of rainbow that we see in the sky. True. Rainbow effect, that is different, and real rainbow effect means it shows the real rainbow that we see in the sky. White noise is a mixture of grey, blue, maroon and white dots. It is also a true statement. We can draw only green colored grass using the grass magic effect. True, because the color of the grass is always green. The edges effect differentiates the edges from the drawn image. Yes, it is true. Next is match the following. Different icons are there and their names are also given. We have to match smudge effect, magic tool, rainbow effect, foam effect, grass effect and edges effect. Next is multiple choice questions. We can create a dripping effect of wet paints using the dash effect of magic tool. You can get the idea. There is a dripping effect means answer is drip. Dash effects add vertical waves effect in our picture. Waves or wavelets or tornado. Wavelets. We can rotate the shape up to dash degrees. We can rotate the shape up to 360 degrees. Fourth part, there are dash different background colors and pictures available in TuxPaint. There are 47 different background colors. Dash is the lead developer and designer of TuxPaint. It's Bell Kendrick. Bell Kendrick is the lead developer and he is the designer of TuxPaint. So we have revised chapter 3. You will also learn the same for the next test. Regarding test, the schedule will be sent to you. So be ready for the test and learn 1, 2, 3 chapters easily and read the chapters carefully so that you can do your exams nicely. Okay, so thank you so much students. Have a nice day.